healthy faith. Luckily, immortality is immune. Sink your teeth into the newest flavor. Their new god they promised to be your savior. Didn't need one before and didn't after. Why don't we take a look and self-reflect their endeavor? Our bellies starve for Christian blood, flesh begotten from each and every terror. You will never stop the famine of our ordeal. We will sink our jaws in you in a cannibalistic meal. Invert the cross, its vision is filth. Transgressions on display, and I feel regret. My soul is ingested poison, filthy faith. Luckily, immortality is immune. Sink your teeth into the newest flavor. Their new god they promise. Sink your teeth into the newest